First off, a little disclaimer. We're gonna talk about assessments used in a professional setting and not about formative assessments that are frequently used in education. Now, what is an assessment? An assessment is a tool used to evaluate a person, a process, maybe a company, by asking a series of questions. These questions are then used to calculate a score, and that score is then used to provide feedback back to the respondent. We call it an assessment, but sometimes people call it a test, a quiz, an evaluation, maybe even an audit, but it all comes down to the same three things: ask, assess, and advise. Ask is where if you want to know something, you've got to ask. 10 to 20 questions should be enough to get all the information you need from your respondent. Next up is assess. Here we're going to add a value to each answer option, which will then provide you with a total score with different subscores. And then finally, there's advice, where we're going to use these scores to provide feedback back to the respondent. This could be an email, this could be an entire report, but it's very important to always end the assessment with providing feedback back to the respondent.